Hi, I'm Blake with True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. Today we're going to be talking about repairing versus replacing the HVAC equipment in your home or business. When you're thinking about repairs, you want to think about the relative benefits you're going to be getting from that compared to a newer system. The things to consider most importantly are the warranty of your system. You want to consider how frequent these repairs are and the cost of these repairs. If the repairs are nearing 30-50% of the cost of a new system, you want to make sure it still has that warranty on it. And then if these repairs are really frequent, all that money can be better spent towards some newer stuff. If you have infrequent repairs, it's within warranty range, you might want to be considering the repair. The most important thing is to trust the tech coming out to your home and listen to his advice, and with that information, make an educated decision.